So a sentence to an equation. So again, I would start off with our base and our reminders built in there, the A, B, and C. And there we go. And so we first start thinking about translations. And so translations are shifts left and right, up and down. So let's up and down, we'll deal with C first. And we're told that it's translated 2 units up. So 2 up. And just explaining our rationale. If we're going 2 up, then that means the C must be plus 2. Now, the other part of the translation is the horizontal translation. So what are we told? 4 units to the right. And so if we're going to the right, then that means, so let's just write 4 right. That means that we're dealing with a -4 in there. And so B is -4. Perfect. And so reflection. And we're told that it opens upward, okay? And so opens up. And we recall that opening up, or the U shape, is our default. It's the positive. So that means that A is positive. Okay? And then the last bit that we want to look at is compression or expansion. Now, there's no wording here specifically talking about an expansion or a compression or anything like that, but we are told that it is congruent here. Now, remember, what the A represents is the shape of this quadratic, not exactly where it sits, but the shape. Is it long and skinny, or is it wide? You know, that shape. And so basically, if it's congruent to another relationship, then that means that the A's would be the same, you know, whether plus or minus, but the number out there would be the same. And so when we look at this and we see that it's congruent to this one that has an A of 5, well, that tells us that our A must be 5. And now, it could be a -5 because it could be congruent and reflected, but we can confirm that A is positive, so we know for sure that it is a positive 5. And that puts it all together for us. So now we just have to assemble all this. And so the A is 5, the B is -4, and the C is a 2. And there's a final answer.